Number 14 has a few things on there that just kind of make you double check what you're thinking of. Now we have a graph of revenue, and it's for good old Ralph Lauren, I think is what it is. And the function is given, it's graphed, and things that are kind of confusing are you see the little squiggles in there in the graph. It's kind of compressed graph. We talked about that in class this week. But 9 is actually corresponds to 1999. So when the question comes up about 2002 or something similar to that, you have to actually go up from 1999 to that year. So 2002, we want to find out, I think in the first question is, what's the slope of the tangent line? What's the rate of change? How fast is revenue increasing in 2002? Those are all synonyms, by the way. What's the slope of the tangent line at 2002? How fast is revenue increasing? What's the rate of change of revenue in 2002? All those can be found by taking the derivative of revenue with the power rule that we learned ever so briefly on Wednesday, and then using it to find that slope. So if you have the function up there, there's a couple ways to go about this, but the power rule is you multiply the exponent times the number out front, take the exponent down one, and then keep going down the line. The 316.42t, that just becomes 316.42t to the first. And then the constant at the end, the 116, goes away because it ends up being times 0, and that drops off. The derivative of any constant is 0. So this is our lovely function, I think minus missing an x in one of these, this one right there, the 350.586x. Now, or t, I think that's the other fun thing. I put x's in there. It should be t's all across here. I think you know what I mean. I just sometimes do that. I'll throw in an x when I mean a t, and they have the same meaning. They're the input variable. The next thing is, hey, I want to use this to find the slope of the tangent line, the rate of change, how fast it's increasing, etc. And at 2002, which is actually 12, that I'm going to plug into my function, because that's how it corresponds. If 9 is 1999, then 12 would be 2012. You plug that in there. I think I said 12. 2002. Silly goose. So let me fix that as well. As I'm going along, I say things out loud. There. Wouldn't that be 2002? And that's what the question's asking, the one I'm referring to anyway. And that'd be 12. And that's because 1999, 9's not going to write, equals 9. So that's what I'm getting this from. You get to plug that 12 in wherever there's an x, or a t in this case, in each one of these equations up above. So you got a t to plug in there, t there. You're going to put 12 in for all those spots. And if there isn't a place to put it, then you don't put it in. Use a calculator, use a computer, use whatever device you can, and then go about answering the questions that way. Hope that helps.